How to order catering on Subway online. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with steps in order to do so. So you can follow out this method and you can do it. So we can start by going to Chrome or any of the browser or even download the Subway application and directly go to Subway Catering. So you can search for Subway Catering and you can find the official link directly available. You can just go and tap on that link, the first link that appears when you type in Subway Catering in the search, and you will be finding this page right here. Now what we can do is we can just go over and visit the catering section here and look out for the online ordering portal here. You can tap on order catering now and then head over to the next page. You can tap on yes continue because you will be redirected to another site, so you can just go and follow that method and then we can start the process. So for that we need to enter up the location to the closest store. You can just go over and in the search type in the location and then just go over and hit search, and when you do, you will be finding the results that you're looking for. You can just go over and find it up, and when you scroll down here you'll be finding all of the platters available. Now you can browse the menu. You can select from the platters available such as giant subs or sides. You can just go over and check it out and choose up your sandwich method, serves for etc, and then we can select up our desired time, and it is recommended to place orders at least 4 or 6 hours in advance, up to 24 hours for larger items. So we can select up the quantity, how much quantity you would like. After that, you can select up the first sandwich, for example, roast beef, select the second one, and third, fourth, and fifth. After that, you can select this option, like if you want to remove anything from the sandwiches, you can select that, and even add cookies, bags of chips, etc., and tap on add to cart. After that is done, you can just go over, and once that is done, you can just go over and view the cart and you can review your order and complete up the checkout process, and then your ordering will be done for your catering. You can just go over and review it and confirm it up. For large, last minute or complex orders, you can call the nearest Selfie directly, or some location allow filling out the catering order form and emailing it. You can just go over and do so, but usually this is how you should be able to order catering on Subway online. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.